All right, so your lawnmower's been sitting all winter. It's the first cut of the spring. If you have a Craftsman like I do, it probably works with others as well, but other lawnmowers who have Briggs & Stratton engines, I think this one is a automatic choke. All you really need to do if it's not starting is take off the air filter cover, remove the air filter. There's a little carburetor. All you really need to do is spray some fluid, some starter fluid, right in here. And open up the little butterfly trap. See, now it's open, and you just spray some starter fluid right in there, and that should get it. That's it. Put the filter back on, button it back up, and you're good to go. Hope that helps.